Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Data Science. Today's topic is Python variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. This Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is declared the moment you first assign a value to it. Like this. I am assigning value 5 to the x variable. Print like this x. See. I am assigning value John to the y variable. Print y. At the same time, variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have seen set. For example, you can see like this x equal to, if you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can done with the casting. Casting means I am assigning value 5 as a string format to the variable x. If you want, you can get the data type of a variable with the type function. This is the Python inbuilt function to check the data type. See, now x is string. Previously, when we assigned 5 value, at that time it is int. String variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes, just like this. By using double quotes, or you can check print x. Again, you can assign same value with the single quotes like this. Variable name Variable names are the case sensitive. If you can create two variables with the uppercase lowercase, this will create two variables. For example, I am assigning 4 to the small a, John to the capital A. You can see you can print a here. It is the 4. So it is one variable. You can print again capital A. It is John. So it is case sensitive. That's why you can create with the uppercase lowercase. It will create the two variables. At the same time, there are the some legal variable names. You can start variables with the letters. If we want to assign value, we will use equal to symbol like this. If you want to, you can take the underscore as the first letter for the variable like this. It will support like that. You can take the some digits with the character, for example, like this. But it won't support some types of variable names. For example, if we start any variable with the integer, it won't support. At the same time, if we give any hyphens in between the variable, it won't accept. At the same time, if you give any space in between the variable, even it won't support. These are the some legal variable names, characters starting with the underscore, at the same time combination of the integer and characters. But if variable name you starts with the digits, it won't accept. At the same time, is there any hyphen special characters in between the characters? It won't support. Is there any spaces in between the characters? It won't support. Many values to multiple variables. Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. For example, I want to assign 1, comma 2, comma 3 values to the x, comma y, comma z variable within the single line like this. At the same time, one value to multiple variables, and you can assign same value to the multiple variables in one line. For example, x, comma y, comma z equal to red. I am assigning same value to the multiple variables x. Sorry, we need to use equal to symbol. See, red. This is the Python variables. Thank you. Like this.